hopping into the meaning of bunny hop. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into a fun and interesting English phrase, bunny hop. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. So, let's hop right in. Bunny hop is a compound word, combining the words bunny and hop. Bunny, another word for a rabbit, a small, furry animal with long ears. Hop, a small jump or a series of small jumps. When you imagine a bunny, you might picture it hopping around, right? That's exactly what this phrase is referring to. In its most literal sense, bunny hop refers to the jumping motion that bunnies or rabbits make. They often make small jumps or hops, especially when they're moving quickly. In various contexts, especially in sports or physical activities, bunny hop can describe a similar jumping action. For instance, in cycling, a bunny hop is when the rider jumps both wheels off the ground by using their legs and arms. Outside of its literal meaning, bunny hop can also have a figurative or symbolic meaning in English. Here are some examples. 1. Avoiding a problem. Just like a bunny quickly hops away from danger, someone might bunny hop over a challenge or problem, meaning they avoid it rather than facing it directly. 2. Small steps. If someone is making bunny hops in progress, it means they are moving forward but only in small increments. So there you have it. The phrase, bunny hop, can either refer to the actual jumping motion of a rabbit or be used figuratively in various contexts. English is filled with such playful and imaginative phrases. We hope this video has been helpful, and the next time you hear or read bunny hop, you'll know exactly what it means. Keep hopping forward in your language learning journey.